Hello guys, we just play Roblox in here. Now I have OBS Studio. Yes, absolutely. Let's play something good. Don't know what. So I play. Okay, what do we play? Oh. Why is it? Guys, I think it's so laggy. I just have to charge my thing. The charger. Where's the freaking charger, bro? Okay, let's play this washing machine. Can you please stop showing up? You're not funny. You are so unfunny. Yeah. Why am I searching this? Alright, sure. Let's play it. Okay. Where's my column? Bro, just turn off your voice chat. It's so unfunny for you. Let's go. What's happening? Let's go. Press air. Stop. Please stop. Some sunlight. I'm just going round. What's up? What happened? I just going to spawn this and Coca-Cola Espuma. Coca-Cola Espuma. Why? I think it's his son breaking gut. We don't know if this guy Pepsi. I just stole your Pepsi. Stop. Coca-Cola Espuma. Oh, wait! Where is bro? I'm just set it. Set this. Okay, stop. Okay, I think I had to get this. I don't know.